We all know this scene. Honey, what's wrong? Why are you so distraught? You tried to return something on Amazon, but what's the problem? Well, the return window's passed. What do you mean? Oh, well, surely there's product support. No, there's not. Okay, well, maybe you're just doing it wrong. Let me take a stab at it. Just click on over here, and sure enough...
Sweet merciful fuck!
And then this baby starts crying for no reason. But we have the solution. Cue the fiery intro. I believe I said cue the fiery intro. Better not fucking sass me like that again, intro. All right, let's get the fun times rolling. Bring up your Amazon account. Pick the item you wish to return, which is outside of the return window. Go to order details. There she be. This actually just broke on me yesterday. Go to view order details again. And here you are. You'll see your product support and return eligibility, and you notice that you're screwed. But no, you're not, because you also see here, this sold by. Click on that. Now they're going to try and razzle-dazzle you with a bunch of options over here. Don't care. Ask a question. Now this is where they try and funnel you down one of those automated send you into oblivion things. Ignore it. It's an order you have placed. Yes, this is the order. Screw all these questions trying to distract you. Go to other. Screw all these questions trying to distract you. Go to other. Write your question to the manufacturer outlining your concerns with the defectiveness of their product after the return and product support window. And hit send, and you're set. And the real key here is that if you don't hear anything back from the manufacturer, or if you don't hear anything good back, there's an option to contact Amazon after the fact and let them take care of it.